What's going on, guys? So it's the day of picking up the BMW M2, but we've got a bit of a problem. I've just jumped into our truck after about a month or so, and the battery is completely flat. Like it won't do nothing. So I'm just waiting for someone to give me a boost, and we should be on our way to go pick up the car, hopefully. I'm quite excited. I've not had an M car for quite a while now. I think the last one I had was in 2019. Which was the E46 M3. So I'm really excited to go pick up this car. Hopefully you guys can follow me on this journey, so I can make some really good content for you to watch. Obviously it's my first time, so just excuse me if I stutter or say anything stupid, because obviously I've not done this before. But yeah, follow me on this journey. Hopefully we can repair this car and tune it at the same time, or styling and tuning at the same time. But let's see what happens anyway. Let me get this truck started first, and then we can go from there. A bit of messing around and fiddling about with it, and we've got it started. It was completely flat. I mean, we had to get two boosters on there, one attached to the battery and then another to what do you call it, to the boosting points. But yeah, it's started now and the journey's begun. Alright guys, so just entered the yard at Copart. Yes, bro.
You saying, man?
You good?
It's got a save, lad, yeah? It's a fucking nice one.
Nice one, man.
It's banging, bro.
You like it? Guys, just pulled up into the yard and found myself a nice spot so we can load the car up in peace. And we've been waiting here for about 30 minutes now. Oh, I believe the car is coming right now. Yes, it is indeed. Finally, the wait is over. I'm just hoping that it's not got any more damage than it had on the listing. There we go. So it's coming all the way from there. We can get a bit of the underside of it. Here it is. Lovely. Not liking the way the truck's actually resting on the bumper there, but I think that front bumper will need painting anyway, so we're kind of good. I'm just going to pause the video now here so that we can I can guide the guy to load the car up. The wait is finally over, guys, and we've got the car. As expected, obviously the headlight is broken and we've got a bit of damage to this grille here, but obviously we could see that from the pictures. Just going to go around the whole car and make sure there's no other damage. Obviously we saw this in the pictures as well. That could just be a leg, I believe, or a wishbone that's lower arm that's bent. We're going to need a new reflector here. Didn't quite see that, to be fair. Looking at the underside, it all looks good. The rest of it seems to be as described. I mean, I can't see any more dents or damage anywhere else. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to strap the car up first, and then we're going to try and give it a start to see if it does actually start, and if not, we'll just take it back to the shop and then I guess start to rebuild it. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is make sure everything's in place. We don't want to take a car back with no engine in it, so obviously everything looks nice and clean here. I mean, it is quite a low mileage car, so as expected. Last thing to do is try and start it. So I've got the keys are inside. It was purchased as a run and drive, so hopefully it should start. So keys are here. And yeah, let's give it a go. Bismillah. Oh, look at that. First time. 27,000 miles. No warning lights on the dash. It did come up with a full power. I'm not sure what that said, but yeah, that's all working. One thing I wanted to know whether this car had a reverse camera or not. So let's try that now. Maybe not. But yeah, it goes into gear. It goes into drive. And yeah, let's just start loading it up now. It's got the Harman Kardon. That's good. Yeah, so I'll just load the car up now and then make our way back. We're now loaded up, guys, and we're about to make our way back to the unit. See you there. So at this point it took us about 20 minutes to get the car off the recovery truck. The reason being the rear wheel was bent and also the front tie rod was broken. We managed to get there in the end. It's finally here. The project car is now inside the workshop. It's getting late now, so we're not going to do anything with it right now. But once working on it, I can start uploading, I guess, the progress. I mean, it took us about an hour to get it off the actual recovery truck, but we're almost there. That wheel was causing us a bit of a problem. Other than that, it's all good. In the next video, I start to take the car apart, so be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.